Are you tired of searching the internet like a lost puppy, only to find backgrounds that look like they were made in Microsoft Paint? Or downloading a background pack that turns out to be 99% garbage and 1% hope? Well, guess what? Today I'm dropping a background pack. So good, it might just break the internet in the best way possible. Well, maybe not. It's kind of just a simple background pack. But let's go. First things first, you're going to want to stop watching this video. Well, actually, keep watching this video, but go down in the description and click on the legendary Mediafire link. All right, we're going to be using Mediafire. It's not a virus. I don't know how many times someone said, "It's a virus." It's not. It's Mediafire. Chill out. Just don't click any ads. Just click on the button you're supposed to click on. It's pretty simple. So once you click on that, you'll be here and you should be able to download the backgrounds folder that I shared with you guys. And it has a few little secret viruses included in that, so don't worry about that. And then, yeah, go ahead and download that. Once you download that, open up your Mediafire, I can't speak. Go ahead and grab this folder and slam it on your desktop. Now you can double click on this, right? And then you can see a ton of awesome backgrounds that are different colors, different designs. You got simple, you got crazy, you got abstract, you got pretty much everything. It's just a nice little simple pack for you guys that you can just start whipping in backgrounds left and right. Now that we got that out of the way, go ahead and get rid of that window. I'm going to show you guys how I made these right now. So go to chatgpt.com and go ahead and type in make me an abstract background. I can't spell. 1920, wait, by 1080. This is what I did. I do have premium, so I can probably generate more than you, but you still can generate for free, so don't worry about that at all. This is how I made them anyways, but you probably don't need it because I just gave you like 30 plus of them. But in case you want to, here's how you do it. Boom, look at that. I'm gonna download that. That looks great. So yeah, get that out of here. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can get access to a ton more backgrounds, but it's going to cost you because it's part of the channel membership. So go to membership. And you guys will not have access to this because you don't have it. It's locked behind a paywall. Yes, Canva creates is pay to win. And then go down here and there is a link, right? Once you click this link, you'll see all these effects that you guys can use. I would highly recommend subscribing because it is definitely worth it. Go to the backgrounds and you'll see there's a ton of backgrounds that you can use for free, copyright free, royalty free, whatever free, and they look really good. So if you guys want some more, feel free to subscribe. The link is in the description to join the membership. Or if you don't want to pay, join the Discord down in the description below and you'll see a graphics section right here. This is where I post free backgrounds that you guys can use. And yeah, this is a free way to do it. Plus, you're in the community and you can have a good time. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a quick one, but I wanted to give you guys some awesome backgrounds that you guys can use for free. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.